Haha. Okay. Someone left this backpack here. There's something inside. What? It became black. What happened? Wait a minute. I'll go wash my hands. What is this? So gross. I wonder whose backpack is this? Oh, it's Pikachu! I wonder if there's something inside. Girls! What is this? It became black. There is something inside. Huh? Oh, this hand became black too. What is it? I can't take it off. I have to tell Cole to not touch the backpack. Cole, no! Go, I'll take it off for you. Ow! Ow, it hurts. Sorry for the wait. With the octopus, the nemi, and cobra, I made takoyaki! Wow! Ooh. Now enjoy your meal!
Yay! Takoyaki! Itadakimasu!
So delicious! So yummy!
It's okay. Here you go.
Yay!
What?
KOYA and NEMI KidsLine!
Must be delicious. Mommy, can you give it to me? No, it's mine. How about this? Apple or chocolate? No. How about this? How about? Sure, sure. Here you go. No, there was nothing in there. It's okay. Here you go.
Yay!
Come on. All right. Yum, yum. I'll get it. Who was that? Huh? Where is my... Oh no! This is so good. There is nothing. There is. No! There were nothing in there. No. Hello? 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 Is this a prank call? How could you? That is the last one I had. Wait! Wait! Oh, Chanel! No! Wait! Wait! I got you! Give it back to me! It was mine! Give it back to me! Give it back! Give it back to me! I bought some ice cream for you guys. Ice cream!